Hello, everyone. This is Mohammed speaking. Today, we're going to have a full review about Preply. We're going to talk in general about Preply, how to get started, how to choose the perfect teacher. Lastly, pros and cons of Preply. So let's get started. This is, as you see, the homepage of Preply. Preply is considered to be the biggest platform for teaching languages online because they have the biggest number of tutors as well as students. And they are teaching more than 200 subjects in this website, not only languages actually, but it's famous for languages mostly. So the way to get started is very easy. Click on login, sign up as a student, as you see here, and then you only need to write your name, email address, and your password. But I really recommend to use the link in the description so you will get a 30% off, as you see, for your trail or lesson. Okay, continue, login, sign up as a student, then your name, for instance, let's say Ali, your email address, and a password, sign up. Oh, as you see here, this is the home page of your account. This is the preferred tutors. I will show you exactly. This is the conversation between you and your tutors. This is the subscriptions that you have. And so let's get started. For instance, let's see the English tutors. You may choose here to they can recommend you the best teachers for your needs. For instance, lessons for kids, or let's say career and business. Continue. English business and conversational business, for instance. Continue. I'm just starting. I know the basics. Let's say I'm just starting. I'm very beginner. And this is only English native speakers from. You may even choose the certain countries, let's say US and UK. And this is like the time that you may learn the language. So you may specify, I will skip this part. And this is for the price. Okay, so you may continue like this. It takes a few seconds. So as you see here, we have the tutors like this. Every tutor have an introductory video. So I really suggest to watch the video. This is one of the methods of choosing the perfect teacher. The firstly is watching the video, and you will see the ones that you're comfortable with or you feel like this is maybe your perfect teacher. It will be perfect. So, and then you may check the reviews because the reviews are very important. This is specifies the professionality of the teacher. So as you see here, all of them are 5 stars. This is very good. And you may read the description. This is, for instance, she's a certified ESL teacher. Is very good. And you may look for the exact, 1 second. Yeah, the specialists, as you see here. So she's specialized in conversational English and business English. As you see, those are the filters that I've chosen at the beginning of the sign up. This is for IELTS. She even prepares some students for IELTS. So, and it goes on, okay? 1 second, let me get out. So I will show you some other stuff. Okay. And as you see here, we have the 30% discount because of the link that we have used. This is for the trail lesson. And you may choose from a variety of tutors, as you see here. They are like pretty much endless. So you may choose the exact teachers as you need, okay? You may check their accent from the video. You may check their nationality, their expertise. I mean, most of them, they are not only, they are not certified teachers, or they have like certain certificates on teaching the language. They might be even a doctor or an engineer who's passionate about teaching the language, and he starts teaching it online. So you may check according to your needs, because maybe you need somebody to teach you like chemical English, which is used for chemicals, chemistry, sorry. And for instance, you may only need English for business. You may only need English for medicine. So you might find even medicine students or doctors are teaching on this platform. So this is pretty much good actually, because they have a variety of teachers. And you may, for instance, let's say we like Oliver and we have checked for another student, for another tutor. This one is good and this one is good. Let's say like this. And then you may check your tutors. As you see here, these are the teachers which we added to the favorite. So you may choose in between them. And now we're going to talk about the pros and cons of Preply. And one of the amazing pros of Preply for students specifically, after, let's say, booking a trail lesson with Oliver, you may choose 25 minutes trailer or 50 minutes if you want to start even the lesson with them. Or you may just need to chat and understand how's the teacher is going on in just 25 minutes. You may choose the day and time specifically and continue. We will go there after in a few minutes. So after booking a trail lesson and having a trail lesson with Oliver, and you may didn't like after speaking with him in person, you may have a refund, a full refund about your trail lesson and try another teacher. Okay, so you will always have a full refund on your trailer lessons till you find the perfect teacher and you subscribe for the teacher. This is a very amazing advantage. And let's have a small look. Let's have, for instance, a trail lesson with Oliver. And before even having the trail lesson, you may contact them in person, for instance, for just chatting. And once you book a trail lesson, they will have a notification actually. So they will contact you, and some of them they might ask you about your goals, about your interests, so you're gonna have a beneficial uh trailer lesson. Okay, so as you see here, we got the 30% discount, of course, and this is the payment method, month, year, and this is the card information. So let's go back for a second to show you the second pros, the second advantage of using Preply. The second one is, for instance, let's say we like Oliver and we made a subscription with Oliver, for instance, 3 hours per week, like in 3 separate days. You will only pay after each lesson. You will confirm that you have took the lesson. So in that case, they will give the money to Oliver. If not, for instance, he have sort of issue and he couldn't attend the lesson, the Preply, they will send you a notification after the time of the lesson ends. They will ask you, did you have your lesson? You will confirm or decline. So if you confirm, they will send the money. If you decline, the money will stay at your pocket, okay? At your balance, of course, in this app. So the third advantage, that there is a huge number of tutors, as you see here. So if you didn't like those 10, you will find another 100 teacher. So this is a very amazing advantage, and each teacher has their availability time. So you may check the exact time that suits you, especially if you're somebody somewhere, I mean, far from US, so there will be a very change in the timing. So you will have the exact perfect teacher, because there's a huge numbers of teachers, as you see here. One second. Let's go back for a second. As you see here, for instance, for English tutors, they have 23,000 teachers. For Spanish, they have 7,800 approximately. And for the Chinese, approximately 4,000. For the Arabic, 2,700. And it goes on, okay? And this is pretty much it for today's video. Hope you like it, enjoy it, and see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.